Hello, welcome to my profile. This is Yasmine BOUDHINA. I am engineer specializing in generative AI and low-code development. I have more than 10 years experience. I worked in many projects and I founded my own company, REC, Reflection Engineering Consulting, where really to achieve my dream because I have confidence that I can go so far and also to work worldwide. I worked in many projects in generative AI from designing a full AI solution from the development of front-end, back-end using Bubble, and for development AI solution using Flowise, LangChain. It's really a pleasure if you work together.